you be interested in surprises? Yeah, that's great, my dear friends. Now it's time for myself. I'm not going to give my introduction. Why? Because I'm going to tell you. So why I've not given my introduction, I'm going to tell you at the last. Okay, so let me share my slide as well. My topic today is nothing but technology is a game changer. Of course, my dear friends, technology should be the game changer now. Why? Because most of the industries, most of the businessmen, they could not able to do their business at this point of time. So they are making this online platform or the other things. They are making it in the live, and they are coming out. They are doing it. They are doing it the business. Technology is going to be the key thing, key aspects at this point of time to do a business. And why the technology is more important, why the technology is a game changer in a life insurance business. We have to understand one thing properly, my friends. Insurance industry is an industry. It is showing the faces. It is changing faces every year. Not only in every year, my friends, every almost closely to an alternative, closely to 1 year or maybe a 3 years to 4 years, our insurance industry or insurance business will go up and down. It will be like a roller coaster. We sometimes we used to go do a big business, sometimes we could not able to do a big business. So it is insurance industry, it is changing the faces every time. Whenever the changes comes, automatically we have to adapt the changes and we have to go into the market. Change is inevitable. It is already everyone you know about it. So if you're not changed with the change, otherwise the change will change you. So you have to understand that properly, my dear friends. So closely to when in 2007 the market has been crashed, the financial recession was there, we could not able to do the business. Again from 2008 to 2009 2010, this recession was there on the time. From 2010 onwards we can able to do a business, and 2013 we were doing a fantastic business. 2014 again there was a product crash. Lot of ups and downs we have faced in our insurance business at this point of time. Now we have faced a health recession called COVID-19. Because of this, we could not able to do our business in a greater way. So now insurance industry is changing his faces every time. Not only the insurance industry, my dear friends, all the business are getting changed. Every business has its own ups and downs. Sometime it will go up, sometime it will go down. So now we are in the down phase. We could not able to meet our customer to sell an insurance policy. So at this point of time, we have to understand one thing properly. It is nothing but whenever the business is a roller coaster ride, whenever the business is going up and down, it is nothing but you can able to progress your business in a faster way. You can see the image clipping, my dear friend. Wherever the ups and downs are there, the the small ball, it is traveling fast. So now you have a big opportunity. Whenever the business is falling down, again it will peak, it will reach to the peak. Whenever it is falling down, again it will reach to the peak. And closely to when we have done a beautiful business till 2004 to 2007, again again the financial recession has crashed our business, and closely to from 2008 onwards, we have kickstarted our business and it was going to a new heights. And later on from 2013, we have done a beautiful business, and 2014 we could not able to do our business because of the product recession. And after that, what we have understood it, after the big dip of one and a half year, and after that we can see that our insurance business is kicking start like anything. Not only our insurance business, my dear friends, all the insurance, all the industries, all the business, it will be tend to change based on the external environment, tend to change based on that situation, tend to change based on the behavior of the customers. So the changes are happening everywhere. Let me talk about some of the changes which were happened closely to let me talk about some of the business. First of all, the business I'm going to talk about is nothing but a hotel. Before closely to I understand, before closely to in 30 to 40 years, how was the hotels in your location? It was like this: no air conditioners, no much convenient, no entertainment system. Just you come and sit, you have your breakfast or maybe a lunch, and you'll go off. And later on, how it has been converted is nothing but now all the restaurants are having an entertainment system, and all the live programs were going on in the restaurant. Now even the people is not willing to go to the restaurant, and they are very much enjoyable to stay in the home, and they are ordering it from the Zomato, they are ordering from the other online delivery app, and they are enjoying the food with their family in the home itself. So every business is having rapidly changing their business style. And also, let me talk about one of the cheapest business when compared to a hotel. So it is nothing but a saloon shop. Previously, closely to 10 to 15 years, if you want to do a haircut for yourself, you will be going to this kind of a shop. And this person will ask you a simple question. It is nothing but what type of services you want. You want a haircut, or else you want a haircut and shaving. You will be asking for the service, he will do, and he will charge a minimum of 50 to 60 rupees, and you will give it, and you will comfortably come back to home. But now we need to get an appointment in this latest saloons. It is nothing but whichever the saloon it was like that, it has converted. Now the saloons are like this. Whenever you go this type of saloon, the modern saloons, they will not ask you two questions of cutting or shaving. They will be giving you a menu card. You have to select. There is a different type of cuttings are there. There is a different type of shavings are there. If you want to shave your beard with the foam, that is a different cost. With the cream, it's going to be a different cost. So it's going to be a different cost for all the services. So now, before they were giving a very minimum services, the environment was not much good. The saloon shop has changed their business. Saloon shop has changed their environment to bring their business. Now think about the urban clap. Even you don't need to go to the saloon shop to cut your hairs. If you click on the urban clap, if you book a saloonist, automatically during this lockdown also, the people will come to your home, and also they will cut your hairs, and they will make you groom like anything. And most importantly, my dear friend, and let me talk about one more shop. So I was recently went to a Mumbai. On the time when I was traveling in the local train, while I was coming out of the station, I found this kind of a photograph. One person is selling a pan. Okay, he's selling a sweet pawn, or maybe another pawn, other pawn bidas. Whenever he's selling a bida, my dear friends, what happens? He's costing around close to 5 rupees to 10 rupees. And when I went to another training program, I've got an opportunity to go to another shop. It is called one of the famous pawn shops in Mumbai, bida shops in Mumbai. It is nothing but closely to an Anand Pan Center. I went there. The atmosphere was like this. The people were greeted me like anything. So lot of things were there. And while I entered there, they have given me a menu card. Even there is a saloon shop. There is a menu card in the saloon shop also, and there is a menu card in the bida shop also. They have given it. There are different type of bidas, chocolate flavors, sweet pan bidas, and also vanilla flavor, and also strawberry flavor. Lot of different flavors were there, but the cost is nothing but 160 to 170 rupees per bida. This is also a bida wala. He is selling his bida for 5 to 10 rupees. And this is also a bida wala, a pan center bida wala, Anand Pan Center bida wala. He is selling one pan close to 160 to 170 rupees. See the selling price, my dear friends. The ingredient is almost same. The presentation is a little bit good, and also the environment is a little bit good. Because of that, they are charging more. Because of that, they are charging more. And also, I have interacted with that particular person, the pan shop owner, and he has said that, sir, how much would I have invested for this, and how much you are returning back, how much you are earning it back? And he said, sir, most of my business are happening in online. You will not see that most of the people, they are coming to my bida shop, and they are having it. And 70% of my business, it is happening in online. See, my dear friend, now the technology has developed. The technology has kickstarted the bida shop. He is making a huge amount of money. He is sitting in his home, and he is selling the bidas in the online. Most of the corporate companies, they were around. Whenever their party is happening, they are ordering this bida for the in bulk, and they are enjoying it. So Anand Pan Bida shop. If you go to the Google, if you search for Anand Pan Center, you will find this picture. Later on, I came out of the Bida shop. I've went to the Google, and I've downloaded this picture. So most of all the business are getting changed, my dear friends. Every business is getting changed. We also want to change ourselves. Now I'll ask you a bigger question. What are the changes you have implemented to your business in last closely to 3 years? In last closely to 5 years, what are the changes you have done towards your business, my dear friend? So the most important, the way we sell an insurance policy is same. The way we approach the customer is same. The way we talk our product is same. The way we pitch our product is nothing but same. All the process, we are following it from the tradition, and still we are following the same. So then how come our business will change to a next level? We wanted to do a big business. We wanted to do an high business, but we are not changing our style of business. So until otherwise, if you're not changing your style of business, how can you able to increase your income in this kind of a competitive world? I request, ask a question to yourself. If you want to learn a lot of things in your life, ask a question to yourself, my dear friends. Until otherwise, if you're not asking you a question, you cannot find an answer, find a solution to me. I can give you an idea, but you have to ask a question to yourself, how your business is going, why I could not able to do a higher premium, why I could not, why I'm not able to do a higher number of policies. So you have to ask questions to yourself. That is a biggest learning point. So start asking questions. What are the changes? Think and start asking questions to you. What are the changes you have done closely to your business in last closely to 5 years? I can understand, my dear friends. I can see a lot of the faces. So most of the advisors, they are not imbibing any new technology to your business. And this is the time to invest in your technology. Understand one thing properly, my dear friends. In life, the change is inevitable, but in business, the change is vital. You have to change your business style as per the situation. You have to change your selling skill as per the market. Until otherwise, if you're not changing, the change will change you. That is for sure. Most important, let me understand, my dear friends. Let me go a little bit fast. So what we have to do, what are the changes we have to bring in at this point of time? What are the changes we have to bring in? Number one idea I'm going to give you is nothing but never use your visiting card in the market afterwards. Never use your visiting card, my dear friends. Visiting card, as per me, it is a waste card after you meet your customer. Whenever you are going to your customer, if you are giving some visiting card, automatically the customer will receive. Till you be there and you are explaining or talking to the customer, the visiting card will be there in the table or it will be there in the hands of the customer. And once you move out of the customer place, it will be waste. None of the customers are retaining your visiting card. Very few. Maybe if you're having a 100 customer base, almost closely to 5% of the customer base are retaining your visiting card, and they are retaining your contact number is very precious. But 95% of the people are not very much interested in visiting card. Closely to, my dear friends, 100% of the sales population is using a visiting card. I request you, whenever you are going to a customer place, never use a visiting card. Instead of that, what you have to do? What are the technologies you can use to inspire the customer? What are the technology you can use to bang the customer in his mind? Instead of using this visiting card, you have to do certain things, my dear friends. Number one, what I'm going to request is nothing but you have to use your WhatsApp business. Most of you people, you are using a normal WhatsApp. I want you to convert from the normal WhatsApp to a WhatsApp business. I can say certain professional advisors are already using this WhatsApp business. This WhatsApp business is an electronical visiting card for you. The WhatsApp business is an electronical visiting card for you. So if you're having a WhatsApp business, just if the customer saves your number, all your details will be there in that in the WhatsApp. So just transfer yourself from the normal WhatsApp to an WhatsApp business. If you transfer from here to there, it is like an e-card. You can use this as an e-card. If the customer save it immediately by one click, he will know about your website. He will know about what are the things you are doing. He know about your email ID. All the things you have, you can able to feed in that WhatsApp settings, and you can show it to your customer very well. And also, Rajesh Thakur has said you have to go to a video tutorial. Talk to the customer about the videos. Talk to about he said talk about the products. What I'm saying, my dear friends, not only talking about the product. What you have to do is you have to get appointment through videos. I recommend you to take appointments through videos. Create your 1-minute video of introduction. You send your videos to the customer. Just take a moment and take your mobile phone and click a camera and put into a video mode and talk to a mobile phone. And hi, Mr. Mishra. You want to know about myself? I am a Damodaran. I am a financial consultant. I am serving closely to more than 200 families regarding their child investment or maybe in retirement or maybe in other services. You can able to take a lot of my services at this point of time. If you want to take my services, what you have to do is just save my number and also you contact me. Let me have a small appointment. We will meet together to talk about your financial investment. That's it. 1 minute of video, send it to your customer, personalized. That's it. Okay, always never, that old idea will not work out, my dear friends. Talking to the customer, sir, can I able to meet you at this point of time? Will you be free? If you are asking something like this, the customer will always postpone your call. Just record a video and send it to a customer. Just send a introduction video, my dear friends. Or else, what are the things? What are the other things you can do it? Just talk to your video phone and put it in the video mode, and you said, "Hi, hi all my customers. If you want to know about the expenses management." Now most of the people are not able to save their money, and all the income are going waste, and they are spending like anything. I'm a professional. I can able to help you on how to save your money and also how to do your expenses management. Just click on, just record a video and send to all the customers. And send to all the customers. Most of the people, my dear friends, I can say you 98% of the population, they are not aware of how to manage their expenses. If someone triggers, if someone has got an idea that I want to get in touch with Damodaran financial consultant, he will immediately, he will use to contact your number. So visiting card is all the waste card, my dear friends. It cannot able to create an impression. So what it can it can able to it cannot able to create an impression. What can able to create an impression is nothing but just record a video and send it to the customer. Whichever the concept you want to take an appointment, send a video. If you want to promote a product, send a video. The video should be in 1 hour, 1.5 minute, 1 minute, or maybe in 1.5 minutes, 90 seconds max. So you have to record the video within this 90 seconds. So you have to send it to the customer. The customer will go through the video, and if he is very much interested, and he will contact you, and he will be giving an appointment. Or else, if the customer is also not interested in giving an appointment, take a Zoom appointment, use the Zoom and connect the customer, and you can able to talk like me, my dear friends. You can able to talk to the customer and start creating a videos from the appointment to that explaining the product, everything you want to start recording the videos. It will be habituated, my dear friends. It will be habituated. By recording one video or two video, you cannot become an expert. By recording hundreds of video, you will be becoming an expert. And after that, what you can able to do is you can able to connect your customer easily. That video will inspire your customer. Whichever the customer got inspired, automatically he will call you for an appointment, and he will talk about the insurance business. There's a lot of concept we can create, we can talk, we can record in a video. And the third thing what I want to give you is create your Facebook professional Facebook page. It is most important. Create your professional Facebook page. Every insurance advisor require a Facebook page. Why? Because now you are using a Facebook profile. In this profile, all the LIC agents are your friends. Whatever the promotions you do, that LIC agents will alone will watch. So the customer is not aware of your whatever the things you are doing it. Customer should know that you are an inspiring advisor. Customer should know that you are a promising advisor. Customer should know that you are a knowledgeable advisor. For that, what I recommend is, what you have to do is you have to go to a shift to your Facebook page. Create a professional Facebook page, and it will be a lot of information will be kickstarted there. It will be available there, and you can promote this Facebook page to your customers, and the customer will visit whenever you receive a lot of trophies and all those things. The customer will visit. And I request one more thing, the most important, you have to invest on your professional website. Until otherwise, if you're not investing on your professional website, you cannot able to impress the customer. I will tell you a small statistics, my dear friends. Recently, all the popular hospitals are having a website. Do you know why they are having a website? The market is not only the hospital market is not big in India. It is also big in abroad. The medical conditions are very high, technological conditions are there in India, and also the cost of that particular this thing, which is comparatively to the other country, it is very cheap here. Most of the lot of the foreigners are coming here and getting treated, my dear friends. They are treating for their diseases, and they are going to their country back. So all the top hospitals, they are promoting themselves to the abroad. A lot of foreign patients, they are coming in, and they are getting treated, and they are going away. The market is not alone for the hospital. The market is not alone in India, my dear friends. It is all over the world. And also, you are as an insurance advisor, you can able to sell an insurance policy to all over the world. This pandemic, this lockdown is there for all over the people, all over the world. More than 200 countries has been affected due to COVID-19. So all the people were afraid. They wanted to take an insurance policy. A lot of inquiries were coming at this point of time. If you're not having a website, they can, the NRA customers will not find you. The NRI customers will not find you. I will tell you, my dear friends, in Chennai, there was a famous cancer institute is there in Adayar, but all the people who comes there, it is an illiterate, but this is one of the cheapest. It's one of the cheapest hospitals, cancer treating hospitals in India. But all the people who comes, only from India they will come. All the foreigners, they are going to a private cancer institute like Apollo. They are cancer institute like another popular cancer institute for Fortis. But why? They are seeing the website. This hospital is having a website that Adayar Cancer Institute is a government-run hospital, but it is not having an hospital. It is not having a website. Whenever there is a website, you can able to market it. The visibility will be very more. I request everyone, you have to buy your own website. Then one, you can able to do your insurance business worldwide. All the NRIs can invest with you, so they can search. Imagine if you want to search a popular doctor, immediately you're going to a Google. There will be a lot of doctors coming in. If you want to search on one of the professional carpenter, if you are searching in Google, the Google will give you a list. If you're searching for an insurance consultant, also Google will send you a list. But are you a person who are there in the first? If you are there at the first in the Google, automatically what will happen, my dear friends, the insurance policy will come to you. The person who is searching in the online in the Google, he will be giving a huge amount of premium to you. So I request you to invest in your website. Until otherwise, at this point of time, if you don't have a website, you cannot able to sell your insurance policies in this kind of situation. You have to change yourself. And also, how many of your customers are having applications, my dear friends? How many of your customers are having an applications? Your customer required an application of your own. It should be a personalized application. If the click of the button, if customer goes to that particular application, all the investments should be visible. Customer need not to take your services by talking to you, by meeting you, but the customer should take his services without your presence also. If you give an online application to your customer, automatically the customer will go inside and he will check what are the policies he has, when he want to pay the premium, and when he want to take the survival benefit from the LIC. All the information should be available in the app. So Datacom Web Technology, we are creating a huge kind of a platform for yourself. It is very easy, my dear friend, to create an application for yourself. It can be spreaded to all your customer. Your customer is booking and buying vegetables from online. Your customer is buying closely to all the products in the online. Why not his services from you through online? He can able to get his services, get your services through online. The thing is, you have to be presented in online. If you're not there in online, automatically the customer will say you uncle. Okay, I will tell you one thing, my dear friends. The experience is most important to an insurance advisor. Whenever your experience increases, your age will go up. Whenever the age will go up, you have to start using a lot of technologies. If you are using a technology when your age is going up, no need of doing a hard work to gain a business. Only the smart work is more than enough to bring a beautiful business, my dear friend. I request you have to transfer yourself. Don't use visiting card. Instead of that, use WhatsApp business. You create a lot of videos, my dear friends, to get an appointment. Create a lot of videos to create an awareness of insurance. Create a lot of videos, my dear friends, to create an importance of an insurance product. So if you send a lot of creative videos to your customer, automatically the customer will be inspired to take an insurance policy from you. Why? Because all over closely to a 99.9% of advisors are not doing this creative activity. All the people are giving the visiting card. All the people are directly going to the customer, and they are interacting with the customer, and they're selling insurance policy. But you have to change, my dear friends, at this point of time. The change is a change. The change with the change, otherwise the change will change you. Understand, keep it in your mind. And also, the most important, create your professional Facebook page, and also create your professional website. It is most important. Let me understand few things, my dear friends. What are the things we are going to discuss? So what is required for you at this point of time? What is required for you? You have to create a brand for yourself. You are a brand. Closely to when you are a brand. You are a brand. If you are not promoting yourself, the insurance policy will not sell. Most of the time, my dear friends, in the ancient time, most of the advisors, they used to promote LIC. They used to promote LIC product. Till now, 99.9% of the LIC advisors are promoting the LIC product and also that LIC. But you are a brand. Customer are taking insurance policy for yourself. but they are not taking an insurance policy for LIC. They are not taking the insurance policy for the features which is available in the product. They are taking an insurance policy for yourself. If you are not branding yourself, you cannot able to sell an insurance policy. Imagine what is the structure of buying an insurance policy. You think about from the customer point of view. Will he think about the company? Will he think about the product first? No, not at all. He will be thinking about who's the person who's selling this insurance product. So we need to create an impression of ourselves. So we have to be a brand. A Damodaran is a brand. Mr. Pradeep is nothing but a brand. Mr. Arunachalam is nothing but a brand. Mr. Sudesh Kumar is nothing but a brand. This brand has to be promoted. And in Chennai, if you're residing in Chennai, you should be a popular advisor. You have to reach maximum amount of customer and you have to be very popular. The way you grow as a popular person, the way you reach you to the media or maybe in technology, that will make you as a brand, my dear friends. The impression will create automatically. Insurance policy will bought. Almost in insurance, more than 10,50,000 advisors are there at this point of time. Out of this 10,50,000 people, closely to 0.5% of people are doing an MDRT, COT, TOT, or maybe a corporate club membership, or maybe another kind of businesses. But only 0.5% of the LIC advisors, balance 99.5% of advisors are doing a normal business. Why? Because these people are not using a proper technological platform to promote their business. This 0.5% people are having a normal technology or hi-fi technology platform to create their business, my dear friends. So all your successful agents in India, starting from Bharat Parekh, Rajesh Satoskar, RK Shetty, all your top advisors are using or having an online platform. Why not you, my dear friend? So you wanted to become a next Rajesh Tagore. You wanted to become a big COT. You wanted to become a big TOT. You wanted to create a huge amount of income. But why not you follow your inspiring advisors? This all inspiring advisors are having their own platform, own website. Why not yourself? They are online. If the lockdown is happening, Rajesh Satoskar simply he's relaxing at his home and he is selling an insurance policy. He's giving a services to the customer, and he's having a power inside power to give his services to the customer. Why? Because he's not working hard, he's working smart with this technology. So if you want to create a huge amount of business during this lockdown and after this lockdown, you have to be there in the online presence. If you are not there at the online presence, you cannot able to sell a huge insurance policy. Just follow your existing successful insurance advisor. Automatically, you can able to bring a huge amount of business. Now, let me talk about the modern businessman, my dear friends. You're a modern businessman. Why? Because you are selling an insurance policy to a modern person. You are selling an insurance policy to a modern person. This modern insurance buyer is nothing but in the age group of 25 to 45. This 25 to 45 group of population, all the people, they are in the social media and they wanted to see you in social media, and you need to have a credential or maybe an identity in social media. If you have an identity in social media, you can able to sell an insurance policy in a huge way. For that, you have to use a technology. In the modern business, my dear friends, the modern businessmen are using technology and they are winning in their business. They are creating a huge amount of income. Let me talk about a lot of persons, my dear friends, the modern businessman. Let me talk about the modern businessman. One Mr. closely to Ritesh Agarwal. He is a founder and chairman of Oyo Rooms. And this person is not owning any single hotel in his name, but he's taking a rent of the hotel and he is lending it to the other people, and he has created an online platform to sell the rooms. Before the lockdown period, he has created a huge amount of business because of the new innovation. Before, my dear friends, he was launching this kind of an Oyo type of rooms. He was a normal person from a middle class family member. He was aspiring to do what the new thing he wanted to do in life. He was aspiring for some new things, but he has not done a hard work to come up in his life. He has not done any of the different kind of a business to come out in his life. He has used a technology to become a modern businessman. If you use a technology in your business at this point of time, you can able to create a huge amount of income like Ritesh Agarwal. So you have to be there. You have to be presented in online. Next, my dear friends, Mr. Bhavish Agarwal. He's a Bhavish Agarwal. He's a IIT student, and he passed out, and he was working in a Microsoft with a good salary, and he was in the middle management to work with that. And he came out with a lot of ideas, and Microsoft has been created with a lot of innovative tools in their business. And Bhavish Agarwal, he came out with a concept called online Ola booking, or maybe a taxi, or maybe an auto booking. None of the people were interested. Immediately he quit the Microsoft work, and immediately he started an application, created an application. He started working on it, but the investment is very less, but he's earning a millions of amount. So imagine, my dear friends, so all the people who are present in the Zoom, where you would have traveled one time, at least minimum one time in your life through Ola. If you are residing in any of the metropolitan city, you have to use this Ola or Uber, so no other go. But this kind of a simple concept, a simple technology with emerging with that merge with the Google Maps, automatically the business has been created, and he become a celebrity in one day. So technology, the modern businessmen are using a technology. Let me talk about one more person, my dear friends. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. He's a person who cannot able to talk good in English when he on the initial stage, and he want to do something in his business, and he has started a lot of businesses and all flopped. And later on, he came out with the technological business called Paytm. What Rajesh Thakur has said is nothing but all the transactions which is happening, it is on online basis. You are using Paytm, you are using a GPay. So he's the first person to introduce that Paytm. So online transaction has been happening. Even now, I'm going to a grocery shop. I'm not giving a cash currency. I'm just scanning the QRL code, and just I'm paying it. That's it. Whatever the amount, even don't worry about the change. So it will pick the QRL code, will pick whatever the amount you want to transfer it. By the same amount, it will transfer to the vendor. The vendor also is happy. I'm also is happy. No need of a physical cash transaction at this point of time. So the Paytm is one of the kickstarted business at this point of time. So we can use this. Because of this, my dear friends, what you can understand is technology. If he has used a technology, and he has earned a huge amount of money. And let me talk about one more thing, my dear friends, closely to an next person is nothing but Baiju Rajendran. Baiju Ravindran. Baiju Ravindran is a person who was working in a shipping company, and while working in the shipping company, he has started teaching people on CAT examination. He was helping his friends, but he passionated later on, and he want to train a lot of peoples, and he has created a online platform, and for this he has invested only 2 lakhs. By investing 2 lakhs, automatically what happened, the huge business has started in from the pre-KG to LKG, or maybe in first class, second class, third standard students, till to the 11th and 12th. The students are coming here, and they are learning in Byju's app. So Byju's app has kickstarted. Now it is closely to more than 100 million business were happening in all over the world, my dear friend. So the Byju's app, a technology has been used. One normal middle class family member has become a huge celebrity in one type of business. It is nothing but a technological business. And last but not least, let me talk about one particular person, my dear friends. He is a person who has introduced a red bus. Panindra Sharma. He's a person, my dear friends, who is a co-founder of a Redbus, and he's a person that he wanted to have an online platform to book a bus. It was kickstarted like anything, and he was very successful. What he says in his life is nothing but, if you're not spending your day with people better than your average fall down. Your average will fall down. If you're not spending your time with your customer, or maybe a people in a day in or day out, your business will fall down. Imagine, my dear friends, if we are going and meeting to the customer, how much customer we can meet in a week? How much customer we can meet in a day? Maximum of 3 to 4 customers. And at this point of time, the customers are not interested to give you an appointment. So most importantly, he wanted to take an insurance. He will be coming to an online platform. Because of this, the Policy Bazaar has kickstarted, and they are doing a beautiful business at this point of time. Why not you have to come? Why not you cannot come to this online platform? online platform is a need of the hour, my dear friends. If you're not there, you cannot able to sell an insurance policy. So if you're not communicating your customer averagely large numbers, you cannot able to sell an insurance policy. Imagine if you are directly approaching, you will be meeting only 3 to 4 people in a day. But if you have a professional website, if the customer traffic comes in and visiting and going in a day, more than 1,000 people also can watch your profile, and they can buy an insurance policy from you, and they will take taken services from you. There is a high opportunity, my dear friends, at this point of time. In this kind of a situation, if you're not having a website or maybe a technology to bring up your business, you cannot able to do a huge amount of business. Now I'm not going to give you an introduction. If you want to take my introduction, what you have to do is, what I recommend is, you have to take down my number and you have to go to my WhatsApp business and you have to search about myself. Why? Because everything is there in online now. So do you want to become an online advisor? Do you want to become a modern customer, modern businessman now? Now I want you to text in the text column, you want to become a modern businessman. If you want to become a modern businessman, just click on, just type MB. Just type MB if you want to become a modern businessman. Yes, my dear friends, of course, you have to become a modern businessman. If you're not a modern businessman, you cannot able to sell an insurance policy to a modern modern customers. The modern customers are very much interested in approaching a technological person. Imagine, as a trainer, now closely to an almost 900 plus people, I can able to understand, or I can able to address all over the India. This is the technology is helping me at this point of time. Why not you take an help of a technology and do a smart work and do a business in a higher note, my dear friends. And also, if you want to become become a modern businessman, what you have to do is, you have to understand one thing. It is nothing but the business is done through visibility. How much visible you are, think. How much visible you are to the customer? Are you visible to the existing customers? Are you visible to the person who wanted to take an insurance policy in your location? Are you visible at this point of time to promote your insurance business? You are not at all visible, my dear friends. You have to be there in the online presence to make yourself visible. So that is for sure. And also understand one thing. It is important, my dear friends. It is important to be visible in the market. If you are not visible, you will become a history. You will become a history. You will be a normal insurance agent, and you will do a normal insurance policy. You will earn a 2 lakh 3 lakh rupees of insurance policy, and you will be vanished one day. And you can able to use this online platform to create a huge amount of business at this point of time. In this situation, you can create a huge amount of business, and you can able to do a wonders in your business, my dear friend. So most importantly, what you have to do is be there in the online. Automatically you can able to sell a huge number of policy. And if you want to connect, if you want to register your website, just coordinate with your existing in your location. You have to contact your dealers, my dear friends. If you are from Coimbatore, you have to contact Jai Shankar. If you are from Tamil Nadu, there is a lot of various dealers are there. You have to contact them. Register your website at this point of time. If you're not having a website, you cannot able to promote your business. Do you feel yes? Do you feel yes? Do you require an online platform? If you feel yes, just type on yes, my dear friends. Go on. I recommend you to type on yes. Very nice. Most of the people, you wanted to take action. I want to take an action. I need an action taker. Okay, if you wanted to be an action taker, just contact your dealer. And this is my conclusion, my dear friends. The technology is playing a vital role in every industry. If you're not using a technology, you cannot be a successful LIC advisor. Use a technology in your business. If you use technology in your business, you can work smartly, peacefully in your home. No need of going to the market and spending your hard time. So you can sit in your home, and you can able to sell an insurance policy. Be there in the online, my dear friends. And thank you for this opportunity. And if you want to connect with me, and also you can connect through me through your dealers in the location. And also, it is time